Hello everyone, this is Mr. Xie in Technical Depth in V-Light. Today, let's share the detailed skills of V-Light hair removing. First of all, I will introduce the special V-Light remover for you. This is power line, which is suitable for 110V to 220V AC voltage. The power plug is equipped with national standard, American standard, and European standard. The minus sign is power switch. It will turn on after 3 seconds long press. Press the plus button to increase the temperature, and the minus button to decrease the temperature. Step 1. Plug in power and adjust the temperature of the hair remover to 120 degrees Celsius. Step 2. After the temperature reaches 120 degrees Celsius, clamp the interface with the hair remover and heat it for about 8 seconds. Fix the root of the hair with the left hand and slowly pull down with the right hand to remove it. Step 3. Remove the residual glue on the hairpiece, which can be directly secondary use. Below is hair removing technical summary. First, when removing the hair, hit the interface completely and then pull it down. Second, it's more convenient to remove in the short time via a glue remover.